Let's continue with our video game, and in the previous video we used the Vector3 in Unity, and you can see the properties back down. We use the property Vector3.left, and if we go to the software, let's play it. So this is what we managed to do last time. So we have this lion, or this lion image that is pretty much jumping back and forth, and the columns or the pipes are moving around, so in a random direction. Okay, so oops. So something that I wanted to show you, if we go to seams, and okay, so the lion has already, let me go to let me see why, let me stop this game for now, and I wanna go to, let me see, split. Yeah, let me just, I wanna show you everything here. Okay, so if we start playing this game, you're gonna see the okay, but in the seam, so never mind the lion. So as you can see, we have these columns or the pipes, and they're moving towards my left or towards the left. That is the perspective that I have. So they're moving around, so pretty much, but they're not disappearing, so they're using code. So we are gonna be doing something for that, and let's stop it, and let's go to layout, let's go to default, and now let's go to the simple scene and not the main camera, the lion. So let's go to the lion here, and pretty much the pipes are gonna be, I want them to stop, so pretty much over right here. And let me see if I can grab the lion for a moment. Oops, no. Let me see, like that, and like that. That would be fine. So negative, let me see, put it like that, negative 40. So let's put it at negative 40, and like that. So let me see if everything it's fine. Let's play it, and everything looks fine so far. So I'm using the keyboard, so the space bar or the space keyboard to jump back and forth. Let's stop it, and what we are gonna do right now is we are gonna go into the lion script. No, it was into the pipe moving, pipe generator script. Okay, these are my three scripts. Let's go into the pipe moving. Okay, and we are gonna go right now into the, so we have this flow that is moving at 6, and it's kind of fast, so let's, I don't know, let's change it at 4. Okay, so you can change the values back and forth, but what we are gonna do is we're gonna have a public, it's gonna be a public float. Let me see, like that, public float, and we are gonna call it stop calling, or stop call, like that. And we are gonna set it to it was around negative 40, so we are gonna have it at negative 40. So we are gonna end up this statement with a semicolon, and right now we are gonna go into this function, the void update, and below the, okay, so we have the transform.position is assigned to the transform.position plus the Vector3.left. So this is pretty much what we have here, the Vector3.left that is inside of this Vector3, which all this bunch of property, the static properties, you have the back, down, forward, left, all the stuff. Okay, so we're gonna have an if statement. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna have the if statement. So we're gonna have if, so we're gonna have if this one, if the transform, so if the transform, okay, nothing happened. If the transform that position, if the transform that position, that x, so it has to be x, let me see, Let me put it in default again. So default, we are gonna go here, and yeah, we can just grab it like that. And when I grab this line, so pretty much check out this position in the X value, so I move it towards my left, and I came around, I think it was negative 40. So let me see, it was somewhere like that. So negative 40 is fine, so but it has to be here in the negative, well, or in the X position. That is the reason that we are having the transform that position that X, so we can leave it like that. I'm gonna press Ctrl C so I can pretty much leave it like it was. And now we're gonna go here, so we have the transform that position that X. So if the transform that position that X is less than this one, the step call. So let me see, this one is less than the step call, then we're gonna be doing something. So and that something is gonna be, we're gonna destroy. So it's gonna be destroy, and we are gonna destroy the game object. So we're gonna destroy the script in the game object. So we're gonna have the game object like that, destroy the game object, so like that. And let me see if this is working. So we can, let me give it a try. So this is gonna, oops, script, oh yeah, that's what I was thinking. So but since this is a C#, so always have to have the semicolon at the end. So let me see if they like it this time. Okay, so if we go into the game and we play the game, we're not gonna see the columns or the pipes disappearing, but let's, okay, so, and now since I also changed the value from 6 to 4, is moving, as you can see, is slower, so that's fine. So right now we cannot appreciate if the columns or the pipes are disappearing or getting destroyed. So let's go to the scene, and oops, as you can see, the line is moving down, but something that is happening, as you can see, let me move this one here. Okay, so now as you can see, just around this this X position, that is the negative, it was the negative 40, yeah, negative 40, the pipes are disappearing. So pretty much up to this point the pipes are disappearing. Let me see if we go, okay, pretty much right here, so the code is working. Okay, so just around here the pipes are disappearing, so let's stop it for now. Okay, so this is what we have so far, and now let's see what we have now. So what we also gonna add is, let's pretty much leave it in default, and we are gonna go into here into the if statement just before calling the destroy to the script. What we are gonna do is we are gonna have we're gonna use the debug, so we're gonna have the debug, so like that, debug that log, like this. So we're gonna debug that log like this, and we are gonna pass on a comment here, so, or pretty much just any input. So we can put like, I don't know, like column deleted, like this. And okay, I almost forgot it, semicolon at the end. And the reason I'm doing this part, the debug that log, is because we have been using this here, the project, but now we can also use the console. So right now I am into the console, so let's click play. And okay, so I can play this game here, and let me see, so clear, oh, Okay, so column deleted. Okay, column deleted. So now it's working. So as you can see, the columns are being deleted. Just let me play it again because it didn't happen fast. Let me see. Okay, so pretty much it didn't happen because it didn't reach the negative 140 in the X position. Now the column it reached the negative 40 in the X position. That is the reason that we have the column deleted, and this is what we can see in the console. So pretty much this is the column deleted, the Unity engine that debug.log. Okay, we can save it for now. Okay, so that's what we have so far.